It's Ankole Media TV. This I'm a Brady Sparks and one savage on it. Yes. Nyine hano ya ndane MVP.
Emeritus.
Kana terigori yire ngai kantumeri ya MVP.
Emeritus riturao. Emeritus it's a honorary title. It's a honorary title. If you go on my Instagram, ninkore search gamba Emeritus MVP. It's a honorary title. Nobo mare byo gukora byona I like nkokundi MVP. Abandi bakiza I remain with the title MVP. Amidst everyone, if I'm going to use examples umpira. Wow, I will footballer of the year. Machireba, you remain with the title footballer of the year all your life. Machireba, it's a honor so emeritus. Binji biryomba wori Catholic Church mbamanya what an emeritus means. So it's a honorary title emeritus MVP.
Yo tata kurumanya kandi mahuri yaruga. Danto akwashira Ankole Media. Awakire butukurwa buturga ibirone byinji but zagambo bice. Ebir most recent ninga sebir most important. Muri ejo wiki yenyene ayiturumu ninga yiturjiremo. There was some rumours, news about a potential breakup hagati ya Brady na Annabelle. Chintecho inecho kusomanyaho inecho wachurireho ninga what is your take on something like that?
First of all, abantu bine kumanya when you are in the business that serves the public, you no longer have the right to privacy. If you're in a business nkaba politician abeshongo zabo meaning right to privacy never limited.
In short not in no privacy.
Not in a privacy owner because you what you do serves the public. So you create attention for everything you do. Buri kintu cyone kikubaho ni creating attention and is of public interest. So I'm glad actually Annabelle and Brady, they should be happy that they can create national talk.
They should be happy about they
should be happy that they can create national talk, that they can be discussed on a national basis.
But I think at Brady we can changwa techo chaman because na manyango chichwana ke wachirenjero.
So Annabelle nana achifuna muyashanga waguru naona mu discussing.
Are you sure?
I believe in aba followers abagayiningire kurabira mu channels kugira ngo bamugamba about the thing.
But that is to this percentage.
Either way, I don't know to what extent, but either way, inaichi kumuyamba chikakora. So about to me, if you've been following MVP, if you've been following my page, this is not news. It's about the breakup. It's not actually very kinjere when it is I think varium stage ya resolution. Wachireba because if you follow my page, there's a time I was writing about that same scenario, but I didn't put the names. I talked about if you follow my page, remember I talked about your favorite couple is divorcing soon. I wrote about that story. So on my page.
Nani shabangu sotaka nanchire banza abantu roko bari yoko banza manye. Agama ure garuye ninga garfe kotaka jere kusobora how it all went.
Na amahure nini ngizo kumanyisa gashowire when the things are in the evening of reconciliation.
So abajire gasoza bagasoize late.
Babishowize when they are late. So the news
things kaboka.
No, the things because even before the Rugogo show, they've been having issues. Like every other marriage, there are always issues. There are always issues. And there's no marriage that is perfect. You also have differences. So they've been having issues. If you remember the interview I had with Reina Kansaramon when we were at Las Vegas, on the sidelines, in Basanyuka Bakamboza, about Chitachirampeta. So his questioning was like he's not an African, he's an African man. That's one of the red flags. If you remember, I did a story about Rugogo, how Annabelle accessed the venue. She was not invited. Nana City, her family, she was not there. Akijaba anyuma ya stamina, because me the table was seated on. Akastamina ba masa wabena kora TV West na nabando
former workmate.
Former workmate. Wachile wakaba stamina kadia. They never introduced. So, like what I'm trying to say, they've been having issues like any other marriage koko kuberi na issues ezikuba zirimu. But surprisingly, inanankana na Annabelle kate abatachwala na mpeta nawe. Abatachwala, those who are in her circles know. Wachileba na abatachwala mpeta unless over the stage ya reconciliation. And surprising, even on Saturday they were together. On Saturday, this Saturday, Reggie had a show in Kamwenjo on Sunday, but on Saturday, Reggie was with Annabelle. So I think they're trying to, because they are still young, so maybe they're trying to catch up, to sort out their issues, but like any other marriage, like any other relationship, there are always issues that happen, but how you manage them, it's what matters. How do you manage things around marriage if you're married to a star?
So, wakutureba sasa rokusharuka churimi. Dani mvipi agwaje tugambira story ya najai turebera recently elikinjire kugira ngo it was alleged ngo Reggie na Annabelle they were no longer together. Ninga there was some potential breakup. Ninga they had some issues in their marriages, but Dani mvipi atugira ngo ebintu bakabaho kare munonga bwana nagiye kusoza makuru njaga showize gatachara makuru gabegari amakuru gari expired, so ahagire gashoboreza instead of bargo mu stage yo akwera reconciliation ninga bargo babigariza busya ninga bargo batereza kintu, but ahenyumaho mwena amashagama amahurre gakaba ahenyumaho ujya kuyacu gamba yagira ngo asho ya Rugogo Annabelle okuya access in venue akaba atari invited. There was nothing, there was no arrangements for I think just an akija like any other Rivera,
like any other person. Though I remember her posting about ngo bamuguriro mwenda, but I remember accessing Rugogo Kija border, on the border B. So those are things. I remember I did a story on my page, but I didn't talk about the name of the person. But right now I think they are kind of tight because, like I told you on Saturday, they were together. So like any other marriage, there are always issues.
So I'm trying to break down to these people. Yanajezo kumansangu kuruga even before show ya Rugogo. Yes, kuja kuya tugambira, and one of the red flags ninga she after abetu ino kuchimanyira abatarachimanyire was obaye bari interview in someone from Sanyuka TV. Was it Sanyuka? No, it was one exclusive biz. Someone from Kampala, some Kampala media personal takajezo kumbuze chibuzo ngabo chata kuzware mpeta ya mugirango eta kugendera byabazungu, and that was a red flag, but we should have known then ngastora ka change. But now ninjirati, of course every marriage ngoko watugambira I'm not married think kumanyoko beri, but what I know in mangu it can never be perfect 100%.
Yeah, that's why they say for better for worse. So there are always issues, but so what I'm just trying to help Annabelle kugirango she needs to one understand that she's married, and she needs to stop the life of looking for likes. She should go zimbengenda kumereza examples za leave alone Baby. I can give her examples of girlfriends who are dating celebrities where she can pick an example. She can look for Jadapi or the wife to Wizkid. She's happy ala noko na pia away. She needs to follow her mamweta Jadapi alebe how she maneuvers life with Wizkid. Naira jendeta hii Tanzania alonde Posha Queen, the chick who is dating Harmonize. Actually, she's an entrepreneur. She no mucha inenyashi ya man muri Tanzania. She's an so she's a very beautiful lady. A media. She's a very beautiful lady. She in the hips. chine hips nungi, chine nyash, but she has a dry cleaning company. She also has a spa. So she uses the fame she gets from Harmonize to promote her businesses. To promote her businesses. Now, if you go to Chioma, is it Chioma or Davido? She's a professional chef. So she uses the fame.
Like, what do you think should have been the cause? What was the reason first? Like, what was the reasoning according to your understanding?
No, like you can't know. Like marriage has a lot of things. No, what she needs to understand, she's married to a popular person, to a celebrity, and she has to differentiate between Muhirwe, Regan, and Reggie the artist. Maybe in my mind she believes she's married to Reggie, but yet she's married to Muhirwe Regan. Those are two different personalities. The person in Reggie has a lot of attention. That's why in music videos as an artist, buri cyose ngora ine mumushimusya akumhana nkaronda naronda aretoko agire no the artist cyo kumanyisa as an artist. That's why buri cyose ngoro za falling akayine mundijo mushiki yakora bakora forever ayine mundijo mushiki, because as an artist buri cyose ngoro na ino mushiki sending a message to fans. Then Muhirwe Regan is the one at home, and to manage him to be respectful to his brand as an artist. But when you want both of them to be in your control, because Reggie is under management. Awesome. Nishimekwa ne mubuza byinshi. Nishimekwa ne msetting targets. Then Muhirwe no wakoze reverse nawe. So you should also have to be mindful of how you handle that. So but what I'm trying to help her is to try to manage the popularity of the husband by using the fame of the husband. That's why I gave you examples of this. But I'm saying she can use that. That's what I'm telling you. I'll give you a Posha, or I'll give you an example of Jadapi. I'll give you an example of Posha Queen. I'll give you an example of Chiomogo and Davido. Now going back to now Babi Chagorani, you know, when she makes an appearance here in Nabobi, it must be an official thing.
If something happens, it means to protecting a brand.
Watch it. They are
ever 100% perfect. She's no way.
The only picture that came out, she was in hospital. Attending to the husband. Anything, so so careful beyond their villain. Yeah, so me I'm trying to help her as a former workmate. I'm trying to help her understand that let her use the fame of the husband to earn something than being in wars all the time. Because now Nindeba, I'm seeing TikTokers bakujuma Liz na Mara. Machireba? I'm seeing so many TikTokers abusing Liz, what and what.
TikTok, they just jump on anyone as long as we talk manage.
And I think it is fueled by someone line or call, which is not good because Liz was ready for some time. I think at some point they connect and chat because they have a history together. So Kanechino Zakshanga Abakuransa Liz. Yet there is another third person in question. Watch it ever. And I'm saying third parties. You was Zakshanga, you was Zakshanga, Barakuruana Sarizi. but there's a silent person aliao wali mu neutral point waliao, because now I'm going to tell, like, usually artists never have messages through songs. If you remember the story ya Orahi, when Reggie was singing about the chick called Merana, Omugabe Kazatari Muzana, there was a chick called Merana by then. Now, if you listen carefully to the song Falling, if you listen to the word by word of the song Falling, abantu bashibuka batakutera ki, bashibuka bakusitinga back bakarugo mu ntaro ziriki. Wajireba, you take time, listen to the song Falling. Wajireba, you take time, listen. Those who don't know.
I think as any other artist na yosongora just na basaku building a character mu yosongora as art.
Me have just said it. I'm talking it from the background of being an expert in understanding situations, and but if you follow like Eminem, we have creation when I'm gone. Sorry, we are sorry, I'm sorry, mama. Actually, we have na criticizing anyina we yabo kumutreating a bad. We have actually muto echeshongo message akagira bzo mcheshongoro. So it's up to those who are fighting, those who are creating battles, they need to know. Me actually I would recommend camp ya Annabelle to support team Annabelle na team Namara to become friends, because there's another person. There's another person uri agataho umutakucenga iwe muri yo muntare zitakora ki ezimbuza kurwana is necessary. So I'm not supporting this issue yo kushangana nibajuma na Amara burishaha. She's an independent leader yo kunaona hustling life kweye. If at all she has an opportunity to connect to Ray, they connect as people who have been together, who have done a lot together. I believe when she was still with Ray, they did so many things. Asia, let me give you a scenario. Ajip. Namara was on the gate collecting money. Annabelle was seated in a VIP. By the time she bought to the table, she knew that Namara was dating Reggie at the time. But she was in VIP. We had her friends were seated in the table. Now, if now it's turning back. So why is she so angry? Na camp yeye. When the other time when she was doing that to say na Amara wabariamu yangu wena ashoroza sente wakari mukwasoringa na ronda sente umushija yakora show kan saving aka sente wetarabasize kunyiga. Yes akanyiga ni maya disappointed, but you atori hatiya ni wono yereka ngo nyigire munonga. So I think that kana bantu mwe nishamu tantera amasimu. Many things I do them just kukorera abantu kubashobora. I don't want unnecessary calls. These are facts. Me, I'm speaking with the facts. So let her know she's a married woman. Let her concentrate on making her family better. She had a boutique. Let her resuming a boutique. Iba senteza kora weekend na basa kumhereza anka capital agarukom business, and she uses her followers on TikTok to promote that boutique. Nibaguma muhajiri. So, let me tell you. But also we should be grateful. I don't know why people want to be associated with Bona. People sacrifice their lives just to be around Reggie. They sacrifice their lives.
I think because of the influence they are building.
Na management yeye but we now for so long no shanga bona bakurwana ngo batezira bishano umuntu no siba na week in week out. But no, yeah, no, but yeah. So actually, you need to go abantu he's a carrot leader. Wachireba abantu bakumukuratira they follow him shipshire. Wachireba
atreji atandi kuona chacha na kana funendo gahona
naba followers na jet management yeye na siba nabo week in week out but no shanga burushaba kurwana ngo batezera bishwane. Wachireba
ngana kwa kusohora umunzu batayirengara kushanga iza stage
hine no muntu business ye omwango gokushaba umweshongozi atkanjongere mu capital yaje business yagwire ka kegwe but come following omweshongozi yazagari omweshongozi Russia pro wa promoter ainechi aine library kutambuza music anta kabergo life yaje
aroma mweta yani Russia wa rage a TikTok
ni nyani wogwe
okoma tokusiba nazuma I had a feeling yoni nimba mako ano banzomane
I don't think Russia nabasa kujoma Russia is a bit mature I would be shocked yana azuma awachireba but I think Russia kareko business zezo na just following rage so we should do a study why do people desperately love him wachireba akakoresa
na study yokuchikora because it's that
it's beyond obaka koresa kakoryochi but we should be I don't know what word I can use but I'm surprised that people can sacrifice all their lives just to make sure they are with him. Wachireba abayo mu relationship no binawo muremero. Wachireba abakora nabo
but that is how a star should be. Star no kwari
no you na star na no wa star do nyowa wa murebere from zero
no leto kwenda kwikiriza ngo akaba star ate nje kizo
said he's a star
azana
in fact he's a star but nyokushanka MVP wachireba actually one of the issues I have also with Annabelle every time she would find me with Ray she should be disappointed.
Akata kwenda Ray associating yani
like
some bad influence.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. She has forgotten her limits. Wachireba like
so in short wait then utaka tuvuga speed she doesn't approve of you being around her husband
like
kuchenda ngo bari yarbaje rwa
you didn't make her happy like
back then ninga ipivina up to now
the last time was we are utwent chikora nawe ureje kwebaje nka office yaje ngo ku meeting achinshanga tuganira she finds me with Ray about disappointed. The next time we were at NKORE press we actually accidentally rub shoulders with Ray and Toria and here twagenda tukuganira cause someone you know you pick a conversation faster yes. So tu antugenda neba chamukora kubuja ngo naganira na Ray anebuza
I've ever tried to know like why I went Annabelle atakwenda ngoza around Ray
by the time
because of the content you kora does she think you are that negative
by the time Annabelle knew Ray I knew Ray before. So there's no need why I should be answerable to Annabelle. Why should I?
But you go to the
that's what I'm saying. Nyowe otwena Ray for so long, kamuleba from zero to his stardom. I'm not so desperate kushasha kuja umuntu nkoreshi. Na I'm owning. Wachireba I'm owning. So but we need to do it. I need to do a study and know why agamashanyira zaka muroho ejo magnetism ekwenda ngwantu amuremereho ni rate watch
ejo na sign ina kweza next time twaga kanuza ko bano tugambira why is it so
echinkubasha na one of the things ebinabe disappointed nonkaja nyo tables zabe birtin kuzenda the other things ebakora ebitakunshemeza
kanga tables zabo on your show
they were giving me 2 tables manager nkuyangambira I'm not saying Ray. The manager said they wanted to buy 2 tables in Kuzenda. Like I told you, the plan I have, he was supposed to come and attend because he said, is it time to judge if MVP is relevant in the industry? Though he has helped me, but is it time to judge to say sense? So I did the show for him to come and see. Amanye. I am my worth.
Wachireba. So it's up to him
kuizana obutiza but me manager wenkamuzira I don't want to, because there are reasons why. He knows why in the tables, because they are spending more money on things ebitari more important to the industry. Kandi yo muntu owa hire platform abana binjo mu industry ntakaganyirwemo.